All right, guys, we're going to call this your logarithm test, and I'm going to have you guys do the evens. You may have to slow this video down because I'm going to fly through as many odds as I possibly can. So here we go. We're expanding the logarithms. Times means plus, and exponents become coefficients. So 6, change to my marker, got my new fancy pen. So that is 6 natural log of x plus 3 natural log of y. Number 3, I'm going to change that to 3 to the 12th over 7 to the 4th. Division means subtraction. Exponents are still coefficients. So that is 12 log base 9 of 3 minus 4 log base 9 of 7. Number 5, 6 log base 8 of a plus 5 log base 8 of b. Number 7, I like on these questions where there's an exponent above everything to just rewrite that as such. So 6 log base 3 of u minus 2 log base 3 of v. Number 9, oh gosh, times means plus, so log base 6 of 3 plus log base 6 of 2 plus 6 log base 6 of 5. Okay, roots, probably want to change that to c to the 5th, a to the 1/3. And so 5 log base 6 of c plus 1/3 log base 6 of a. 13 x to the 18th over y to the 6th. 18 log base 5 x minus 6 log base 5 of y. Number 15, log 2u plus log 2v plus 2 log 2 w17 c to the 5th a to the 1/3. This is starting to get repetitive. I may have you do multiples of 4. 5 log base 9 of c plus 1/3 log base 9 of a. Next page. That took me 4 minutes. Yeah, super repetitive. Oh, there's an odd on the right side of the screen. That's weird. So z2 x 1/2 2 log base 7 z plus Eric, you made the video. 1/2 log base 7 of x. All right. Next, condense each expression. A lot easier. All right, so we got a log 6. That's the only log 6 we want to see because we're going to condense everything else into one little piece. So we've got coefficient of 2 above the u. We've got a coefficient of 8. It's going to be an exponent on v. Minus means divide. So, erase all that so I can see it. So that is u squared divided by v to the 8th. the end. I know I haven't boxed up an answer yet. I just want to make that a little bit more dramatic. Okay. Times means plus, coefficients are exponents, so 1 log base 3. We're going to put all the numbers together. That's going to be 12 to the 8th power times 5 to the 2nd power. You don't need to do anything with that. Oh gosh, I hate these. Oh yeah. So this shows up later. This, I'm going to, instead of making it log base 5 of x divided by 2, I'm going to call that 1/2 log base 5 of x. It's a heck of a lot easier, especially for one of the questions further on down the line. Okay, plus times z second. So log base 5 once because we're condensing, and that's z to the second and x to the 1/2. This is log base 10 of 8 to the 6th. Should have made that divided by, so I need to make it smaller. That is log of 8 to the 6th power divided by 11 to the 30th power. 6 minutes in. Log base 10. Why am I putting 10? Because I'm in a hurry. X to the 3rd divided by y to the 5th. Same thing on number 31 like we did on 25. Instead of dividing by 3, let's change that to 1/3 and 1/3. Everything's multiplied, so we have natural log of z, x to the 1/3, y to the 1/3, and if that bothers you that it's not in alphabetical order, fix it yourself. Oh, I got dots all over the place. Um, division, log base 4 of a to the 5th divided by b to the 6th, number 35. Log base 2, 11 to the 4th divided by 6 to the 6th. Next page, still condensing. Log base 2, x squared, y. Sydney Martin made my video, y to the 10th. Change these to 1/3. These are the questions I was looking at and kind of freaked me out. And then dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. So log base 3, 7 times 10 to the 1/3 times 11 to the 1/3. Now I got to admit I looked at the key and she had log base 3 of 10, that's a 10, times the cube root, which is to the 1/3 power of 110. That should be a 7 in the front. If you're wondering where that 10 right there came from, that should be a 7. And then since 10 to the 1/3 times 11 to the 1/3 is the cube root of both of those, you can just call it cube root of 110. All right. Oh, finally. Oh, gosh, I hate these. Base of the logarithm is the base of the exponential. 17 to the second equals 289. 14 to the second equals 196. You're not doing anything with these. That's base 10. So 10 to the second equals 100. This is 6 to the negative second equals 6. Thanks, Ms. Garza. Yeah, this old, remember, negative exponents doesn't make the number negative, just makes it 1 over that number to the power. 27 to the negative 1/3 is equal to 1/3. Negative makes it 1 over. Cube root of 27 is 3. Bing, bang, boom. 64 to the 2/3 power equals 16. How does that happen? Because remember, it's power over root, and we don't power 64, we root 64 and then power 2. So cube root of 64 is 4, 4 to the second power is 16, 18 to the negative second equals 300 over 324, 7 to the third equals 343, second equals 121. Super repetitive. I said 121. Super repetitive. So from here on, you guys just do multiples of 4, as in 1, 4. Well, 4, 8. Maybe multiples of 3. I'll get back to you in a second. 3 cubed equals 27. Next page, I'm at 11 minutes. These are a pain in the butt. Let's not do these. All right. I'm going to stop here once we get to solving, because I'm going to probably need a longer video for that. So I'm going to stop here. Let's do 80 questions. Half of that's 40. How do I do half of that? Multiples of 4? Every other one? Yeah, let's say that. Every other even. That's probably confusing to some people. It's confusing to me. Every other even. So 2, 6, 10, etc. So 2 through 80, every other even. The end.